right, here's some big news coming in right here. NCB in its affidavit has leveled some charges against Shah Rukh Khan's manager. NCB says Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja trying to influence witnesses. NCB claims that interference by Shah Rukh Khan's manager in the probe. Remember, Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager's name has cropped up several times now in the last few days. In fact, NCB now comes out to level allegations against Shah Rukh Khan's manager, saying that Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager, is trying hard to influence witnesses. NCB claiming further that there is interference from Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager, in this entire probe. Remember, witness number one, Prabhakar Sale, had said that he was forced to sign on a blank panchnama, and then further accused that there was a meeting that was held which he overheard between Pooja Dadlani and the witness, in fact, Gosavi, KV Gosavi. The allegation was that Pooja Dadlani, on behalf of Shah Rukh Khan, was communicating with Gosavi and maybe someone from the NCB to pay up a large sum of money only to let off Aryan Khan. While that said, here's the NCB now coming out in a counter affidavit leveling charges against Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja Dadlani, saying that she's been trying hard to influence witnesses and claims that she's been interfering in Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's case, the probe that's currently underway. Divyesh, for more on that. Divyesh, tell us what exactly is in that affidavit, while it alleges that Pooja Dadlani is the one who's trying hard to interfere with the probe and maybe even influence witnesses. We know that one witness has come out condemning the NCB. Take us through what's in that affidavit.
Well, there are the reply filed by the Narcotics Control Bureau clearly states that all the accused arrested in this case are connected. It clearly states that Aryan Khan was using further details, further help of his friend Arbaz Merchant for procurement. Other than that, there are other details which have been mentioned, like the seizure that have been made from various witnesses in this case. So these details have clearly stated, have further brought to light that NCB still relies on the same grounds that they had mentioned at the Sessions Court while opposing the bail application of Aryan Khan. And they've also said that the charge sheet is yet to be filed, and further investigation has revealed that during initial investigation, some international linkages pertaining to this applicant, that is Aryan Khan, have been unearthed, which is prima facie indicating towards illicit drug procurement. Other than that, there are details. NCB has clearly stated that there are clear instances of tampering, influencing witnesses in midst of an ongoing investigation. So bail application should be rejected on this ground alone. That is what the reply states. The reply also states that it has further, it names Pooja Dadlani. It appears that the said lady appears to have influences such punch witnesses when the investigation is ongoing. Such interference at the stage of investigation is a malified attempt to ensure that the same is derailed and the question of truth is obstructed. As soon as this glaring fact came in record, the respondent, and that is the NCB, filed an application before the NDPS court setting out the manner in which the ongoing investigation is influenced and malicious and malified attempts are made to derail the investigation and defame the agency. So now they have hit out at Pooja Dadlani, which clearly states that she was trying to influence the witness. Here they are hinting at Prabhakar Sale, who is an independent witness, who has made several allegations regarding extortion, for which a vigilance inquiry has also been initiated against Samir Wankhede by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And here the NCB clearly states that it is Pooja Dadlani who influenced the witness, who influenced Prabhakar Sale and made him do this, made him level these allegations, which have now come to light, which have now in public, which are now in public domain. As of now, it clearly states on what were the grounds that had clearly earlier that they had mentioned that obstruction.
Divyesh, does this mean that this will come as a setback to Aryan Khan while the bail plea is going to be heard by the Bombay High Court, considering already you have the NCB saying many times that Aryan Khan and those close to him may try to influence witnesses. And here an affidavit has been filed on Shah Rukh Khan's manager allegedly for interference. Do you think this will come as a setback for Aryan Khan now while the court hears his bail?
Well, this will come as a setback for Aryan Khan because this could, if the court considers this and court considers it on record, then it does affect Aryan Khan's application because Pooja Dadlani is the person associated with him. She is being seen around. She is the only person from the family dealing directly with the agency. She had been coming to the Narcotics Control Bureau since Aryan Khan's arrest, and she was the contact person between the family and Narcotics Control Bureau, and she was the one handling all the work for whatever agency contacted for. She had been providing all the details. She had been providing all the documents that were asked for, and now her name crops up in the response filed by NCB. So it would affect case, it would affect the application of Aryan Khan, or if the court takes it on record, if the court believes what the Narcotics Control Bureau is saying, then it surely affects Aryan Khan's bail application, and it would be considered negative for Aryan Khan if this thing is taken on record, and further the Justice Samre, who is going to hear the bail application, further considers this, and because here directly it is seen that she is influencing the witness. That is one of the most important grounds brought in by any investigation.
But on what grounds has this affidavit been filed? Divesh, on what grounds has this affidavit been filed? What kind of involvement has Pooja Dadlani shown in the recent past? Has she tried to speak with the NCB officers directly? Has she tried to communicate with those witnesses directly? What has happened? What have they found that they've realized that she's been interfering relentlessly? All right, I'm going to keep you on hold.